The Hexgears GK735 is a robust, full-size mechanical keyboard designed with gamers in mind, offering a blend of performance, durability, and style. What stands out immediately is its sleek aluminum housing, which not only gives it a premium look, but also adds to its durability, ensuring it can withstand intense gaming sessions without easily showing signs of wear. The full-size layout provides all the keys you need, including the number pad, making it versatile for both gaming and productivity. One of the most impressive features of the Hexgears GK735 is the Kailh box white switches. These switches are known for their tactile feedback and satisfying clicky sound, making them an excellent choice for gamers who enjoy a more responsive and immersive typing experience. The actuation force of the Kailh box whites is on the lighter side, which makes them great for rapid key presses, giving you an edge in fast-paced games. The satisfying click of each key press is not only enjoyable, but also provides the tactile confirmation that your input has been registered, which is crucial for gaming and typing. The keyboard has a clean and simple design, with the aluminum top plate adding a premium touch without being overly flashy. The keycaps are made of high-quality ABS plastic, which adds to the overall feel and longevity of the keyboard. Despite being a wired keyboard, the 1.8-meter cable provides ample length, allowing for flexibility in your setup, whether you're gaming at a desk or just using it for daily tasks. The cable itself is braided, which ensures durability and reduces the risk of tangling or wear over time. For gamers, the customizable RGB lighting is another highlight of the GK735. It features a wide range of color options and effects that can be adjusted through the keyboard's software, allowing you to match the lighting to your gaming setup or personal preference. Whether you want a static color or a dynamic lighting effect, the GK735 offers plenty of options to enhance your gaming environment. The lighting is bright and vibrant, adding an extra layer of flair to your gaming rig. In terms of performance, the Hexgears GK735 shines in both casual and competitive gaming. The mechanical switches provide fast and accurate key presses, while the anti-ghosting and N-key rollover features ensure that every key press is registered, even when multiple keys are pressed simultaneously. This is particularly important for fast-paced games, where precision and speed are key. Whether you're playing FPS games, MOBA, or strategy titles, this keyboard holds up under pressure. Another key selling point of this keyboard is its ergonomic design. The keys are well-spaced, providing a comfortable typing experience for extended sessions. The overall build quality is excellent, and the keyboard feels sturdy on the desk. While it doesn't have a wrist rest, the design is still comfortable enough for long gaming or typing sessions. Additionally, the keyboard's compact size, despite being full-size, makes it relatively easy to transport. So if you need to take it to LAN parties or gaming tournaments, it won't be a hassle. When it comes to software, the Hexgears GK735 is fairly user-friendly. The configuration software allows you to set up macros, customize lighting effects, and fine-tune key functions, offering a good level of personalization for gamers who like to have everything just right. It's easy to navigate, even for users who might not be familiar with keyboard customization software. In conclusion, the Hexgears GK735 wired full-size mechanical keyboard is a fantastic choice for anyone looking for a durable, stylish, and high-performance gaming keyboard. The Kailh box white switches provide excellent tactile feedback for both gaming and typing, while the aluminum housing ensures longevity. The customizable RGB lighting and ergonomic design add to the overall appeal, making it one of the best mechanical keyboards in this price range. Whether you're a casual gamer or a competitive player, the GK735 offers everything you need to level up your gaming experience.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.